Hallo Deutsch 102. Heute machen wir subordinierende Konjunktionen. Subordinating clauses and subordinating conjunctions. Those are big words for these little bitty words here. Bis, da, das, ob, weil und wenn. You can find these on page 220. They are certain words that kick your verb to the end. So I like to call them kickers because they kick verbs. I'm going to start with the word das. That one means that, as in wir wissen, Komma, dass das Wetter warm ist. We know that the weather is warm. It may help when you're learning these to think of Yoda, because Yoda kind of sounds like this. We know that the weather warm is. So this word das kicks the verb after das all the way to the end. Now if I go back and look at what my sentence would have been. Das Wetter ist warm. Here I've got my verb in second, but once I put this word das with it, it has to kick the verb all the way to the end. Okay, another example, I could use weil, that one means because, and you may be wondering, well, what about denn? I thought that meant because. It does. German just has two words for it. And this one kicks the verb to the end. Wir gehen nicht in den Park, Komma, weil es regnet. We're not going to the park because it's raining. Once again, weil has kicked it is raining, has kicked the verb to the end. Notice that between both of these sentences and the subordinating clause, I've got a comma. German puts a comma there, unlike English. Now we've got some other words we can use here. Bis means until. Da means since, as in because. For example, wir gehen nicht in den Park, da es regnet, since it's raining. Ob means whether. You use this one a lot with questions. Wenn means whenever. Okay, on my next video, I'll give you some more examples with them. Bis dann. Tschüss.